Hi guys, so today's video is going to be another one in the series where I try to disclose how I make money in my business or really in my life, because just different ways that I make money that's not just through my business. And I wanted to share that because I know a lot of people on here are currently looking for different business ideas, way to boost their own business, way to expand or increase their revenue. And this is sometimes I find very helpful to help you stimulate some ideas or just get you thinking about things that you could do and ways that you could diversify your own income, especially if you're feeling anything from the recession and you feel like, oh my God, I need a way to step it up. These are great opportunities to look at ways that different people are making money and how you might be able to use those opportunities as well in your own life. So today I'm going to be looking at my affiliate income. Now, I did a training about a year, I want to say 2 years ago, and I disclosed what I was making as an affiliate every month, and I found that people were shocked. So people were really surprised by this, and it was because I disclosed the amount at the time was about $5,000. So today I'm going to do a video to break it down, looking at what that looked like and what it actually looks like today. Hi, I'm Jody Ann Rowe, founder of the Event Certificate, and I work with event planners and wedding planners to help them book more leads into their business, bring leads in. So if you're struggling to find leads online, definitely reach out. Don't struggle on your own. Stop trying to do everything by yourself. Go ahead and set up a call with me and see how we can work together. You can check me out, check my reviews, check my clients. I promise you, I am not one of those people on the internet that will sell you, I can help you get to $1 million and I have no knowledge, right? But if you've already hired one of those people, I do apologize. I've met a couple of people who have. Research these people thoroughly before you dive into these things. Today, what I really want to talk about is I want to share behind the scenes of my affiliate income, because I am always telling my clients different ways they can make money. And I've been sharing on the channel the different ways that I make money. So for example, I run my main business is the Event Certificate, where I do marketing, online marketing for the wedding industry. So if you're a wedding planner, event planner, even if you're not, if you're a florist or any other area in the wedding industry, you can still reach out to me and I can help you, right? Because it's really focused on how to get you leads so you can get bookings. That's what I work on. That's what I'm a master at. So here's the thing. In addition to that, I do bring income into my business in other ways. So for example, one of the things I've shared in other videos on the channel is how I make money through YouTube. Now, YouTube is not my main income earner. It brings me revenue, but honestly, that revenue is mainly to support the channel itself, to support my assistant, to support my video editor, that kind of thing, right? But it does bring me revenue. The other way I make money is through like domain flipping, which is not related to my main core business, but it's something I do really as fun, like just on the side. So I'll purchase a domain, let's say for $9. I'll hold on to it. Sometimes I'll develop it, sometimes not. And then I'll sell it later on at a higher price. So I have a video that I'll link below that you'll see where I flipped one domain that I bought that ended up being like $11 to $3,000 in the end. That was my profit. So something like that. And it didn't cost me anything, right? It was fairly passive. Now, I'm a huge proponent for passive income as long as it's nothing scammy, right? Like I tell people, as long as it's related to your business, it's a good idea. And as long as the company that you're promoting or doing, even if for yourself, is actually reputable, it's a good idea. Do what you need to get money into your business, right? Because at the end of the day, that's the aim. You're trying to bring money in to make your life easier. As long as you're not doing it illegally, scammy, you know what I mean? You're good to go. So that's why today I wanted to share about my affiliate income and partnerships. So in addition to YouTube, I also get brand partnerships for YouTube videos, meaning like a company will approach me and say, can I have you mention my company or my product or my service in your video and I will pay you a certain amount of money? Or they might offer it for a blog post, like if I include a link to their company website in a blog, or if I do a blog post that includes their company, that sort of thing, right? Now, I don't do a lot of those for social media, only because on social media, I don't have a huge social media following. Like for example, on Instagram, I think at the time of this video, I maybe have just over 2,000 Instagram followers. I also make money from affiliate income. So affiliate income is basically where I promote products for different companies, and if I have a link to specific things that I'll recommend, and if someone uses my link, meaning they click on it, go through and make a purchase, then I get a commission back from that company for the referral. So I want to share some numbers with you so you can see it. There's a couple, I don't promote a ton of programs. I sign up for a ton of programs, usually to log in, see them and see what they're like, but I really only promote programs that I enjoy, that I know will be beneficial to my clients. Like I always come from the client perspective, and programs that I know are reputable, meaning that I've gone in and looked at their program and it looks good. Now, don't get me wrong, there are companies out there that will sell themselves as one thing and they're the other, but so you do need to do your own vetting, even recommendations, but so far, so good. So at the time when I did the training, and I want to share these numbers so that you can see them. So I'm going to flip my screen and share this. So one of the things that I share, and these were the old numbers, were the programs that I actually promoted and made money from. So I had 6 at the time. It's a little bit more than that. It was just how they're structured. So for example, one of my number one ones were HoneyBook. So I promote HoneyBook as an affiliate, meaning I will share that I do like and enjoy using HoneyBook, and I will share through different ways, through my email list, through my website, through YouTube, through Instagram, right? And I'll have a link to the program. And if anybody takes the link and signs up for HoneyBook, I get a commission. I also have the opportunity to pass down a discount. So I have a discount link for 50% where you can get HoneyBook for 50% off through my link. So there's a discount to the actual user as well as the commission coming back to me. So I love these ones because they're win-win, because I love getting a commission from it, don't get me wrong, but at the same time, I do like when I get to pass on savings to the users and to my community. So the other one I also promote, HoneyBook, by the way, if you're not familiar with HoneyBook, they're a CRM, and they're a really good CRM for small business owners, especially if you're not super tech savvy. HoneyBook is great because it has a lot of features already embedded where you can send your proposal, contracts, invoices, all of that, and you can do that within the platform very quickly and easily. And I'll link them below for anyone looking for them. You can check it out and get that 50% off. I also promote Aisle Planner, and Aisle Planner is another CRM. Aisle Planner is very specific, however, to the wedding industry. So HoneyBook you can use, like I have a client who's using it who runs a painting company, right? But Aisle Planner is more very wedding specific. If you're a wedding planner, Aisle Planner is great, and it's another CRM. The difference with Aisle Planner and HoneyBook, however, is like Aisle Planner is very much focused on the relationship between you and your client. So Aisle Planner is amazing when you're actually in the area where the client is booked and you're working with them. So you're setting up guest lists, seating arrangements, all of that. The Aisle Planner CRM is phenomenal. And I promote Aisle Planner. Aisle Planner, so HoneyBook I made about $2,000 a month promoting. Aisle Planner about $25. Now, the reason for this is I find a lot of people, in terms of Aisle Planner being lower, is that a lot of people are looking for more the automation, which HoneyBook offers. So I usually push them towards that. But when they do come and they're looking for the other part, I'll push them to Aisle Planner. Now, the other thing I used to promote was Creative Market. And Creative Market is almost like, it's a platform where you can find a lot of digital products. So if you're looking for templates and all of that, you can find on Creative Market. And I usually make about $20 a month. I don't promote Creative Market actively. Like I'll usually just drop a link when I see necessarily, or I have a blog that features them. So Creative Market is really passive. So that's something I actually would have been able to increase maybe if I put a bit more effort in, but I don't push people to things if I don't think it's useful to their business. So Etsy is another one that I promote that I usually get about $200 a month from. Google AdSense, this was from my blog that I had, which was the one that I sold. And I was getting about $300 every month from, I believe this was 2 blogs actually combined. Now, the other source from my affiliate income is brand partnerships. So if I recommend a brand partner, and sometimes I have one-off recommendation brand partner or one-off sponsorship, and this is approximately $3,000. Now, I say approximately only because there's some months where this number for the brand partnerships is lower. There might be a month where I have none, and then there are months where it is significantly higher. So I just did an average for that one. So overall, I was making about $5,500 every month in affiliate income. So that's just affiliate partnerships. So that's outside of my actual main business. Now, these are the old numbers. So I had to update the numbers when I was doing these videos, but I wanted to show you the old numbers because I wanted you to kind of see how it changed, the shifts that I made, and so that you know when you're also at this place that you can make these shifts too. So one of the things you can do, look for companies in your industry that would be beneficial to partner with, or that your clients are using, or that you would love to recommend to your clients, or that you already recommend to your clients. Those are the best ones to partner with. So if you're always recommended people, for example, to David's Bridal to get their dresses because they're cheaper and they don't want to spend a ton of money on their dresses, then definitely sign up for their affiliate program, because in that way you could send them, say, oh, here's a dress I found, here's the link, use your affiliate link, and if they purchase, you make a commission. Now, the thing about this is never do affiliate programs for the money, right? Never say, oh, I'm going to join because I can make money, and then start doing recommendations just for money rather than it being like a real authentic recommendation. So that's just my biggest recommendation to you. I said recommendation a lot there, right? So look for programs that you already are involved with, or that you already recommend to your clients, or that you would like to recommend to your clients. And if you need ideas for this, I have a passive income ebook where I outline a ton of affiliate programs that are applicable in the wedding industry that you can sign up for as a wedding planner. Even if you're not a wedding planner, there's a ton of them that you can recommend, because even if you're not a wedding planner, unless you're a wedding photographer, you might have people that are always asking about other wedding services and vendors. And the ebook outlines a ton of them in the wedding space that you can sign up for. Here's the thing. I made some shifts with the affiliate program because I review my affiliate programs ever so often, maybe once or twice a year, and look at what's working and what's not, and what's no longer in alignment, which is why I say to never just join programs because they're giving you a commission. Make sure that you are aligned, right? I've had people who sponsored my video, and I've had like a client use them and come back and say they didn't have a good experience and outline something that I thought just should never have happened. And I actually just turned off that video because I don't feel comfortable now running that video all the time. It's going to be forever on YouTube talking about your sponsorship and your company when you're not doing something that you promised, right? So just make sure it's always in alignment with your company, with your brand, with your values. So here are my new ones. Now, some of these I switched out just purely based on where my business is at. So HoneyBook, I still refer, but HoneyBook has dropped to 500. Now, a huge part of this is actually because I've referred so many people from HoneyBook. I'm getting a lot less people to refer. And HoneyBook started doing a $1 promotion where they push people out. And by the way, you can still get that promotion. I'll link it below, where they push a lot more people through ads to their program. So I don't see as much from HoneyBook, and I don't go significantly out of my way to promote a program. HoneyBook I love though, but I also now offer HoneyBook templates. So when I meet someone who is already on HoneyBook but not using it, which is where I'm finding a lot more clients, I can either do the templates where I sell them the templates they can set up to make their HoneyBook look pretty, or I also have a HoneyBook setup service. I have someone on my team that completely sets up your HoneyBook, from your email automation, from your templates, everything, right? And I usually will connect them with that person and she'll do everything for you. Creative Market, I don't recommend as much anymore. Also because I have my template shop now where I provide a lot of templates for what my community is looking for. So when they're looking for templates, I'll forward them to that. If it's something I don't have, then I'll send them to Creative Market. So you'll see my revenue from Creative Market is 0. It wasn't that significant before, but it's pretty low. One thing I did add was Canva, and I make on average about $100 every month from Canva. Only because I use Canva a ton right now in my business. I use Canva for so many things. All the graphic designs, all of that is done through Canva. Now, I don't do a lot of designs myself. My team does, but they're all on my Canva doing it. My reels are all on Canva. Most of my templates are actually created on Canva, and then you have access to it as a template. So it's something I use so much. It's something I love. So I had to sign up as an affiliate because I tell everyone, instead of being there and struggling to make logos and all these things, just go on Canva. There's so many free templates under the free account. Go do it. I'm going to link it below. So the other one I promote is the Contract Shop, and I make about $100 every month on that. So the Contract Shop is a shop that I partnered with that offer legal templates. And the reason I partnered with them was because I found there were a ton of wedding and event planners that were coming to me who were asking about, I need a wedding planning contract. I need this contract. Right? And I'm not a lawyer, right? So I can't offer you legal advice per se, right? Well, not per se. I can't offer you legal advice, but you do need a proper contract in place. And I believe this. So I looked for companies that were actually doing this. They were offering contracts that were prepared, created, and reviewed by a lawyer. And then I partnered with them so that you could have access to this. And that's the contract shop. When you purchase a contract from them, I do get a commission, and I'm going to link them below. If you need contracts, definitely check them out. The other way that I make affiliate income is through brand partners, as I said in the previous old numbers. Now, my brand partnerships are about $5,000 a month. I'm saying roughly. I will be honest, as I said earlier, sometimes it's lower, sometimes it's significantly higher, right? So it just depends on which month we're in. So you'll notice I have them in brackets, varies. So the new numbers went up just slightly. So it's $5,725 every month, right? And that's not related to my business. Now, here's what I want you to take away from this. Not the $5,725, but to think about ways that you can actually get income into your business passively and through affiliate programs. Now, as I said earlier, I have a passive income ebook. I'm going to link it below that you can download and check out. It has a ton of tips and resources. Like I include how I promote my affiliate programs, for example. So I promote my affiliate programs through YouTube, through my YouTube videos, through links in blog posts, through social media, through my email list, right? If one of my affiliate companies is running a promotion, I'll share that with my email list, just ways like that. But it's never coming from a point of, oh my, I need to make some money really quickly, so I'm going to go promote this program. Never. It is always with, how can this benefit my community first and foremost? So you'll see I don't have a ton of programs on here because I really only promote programs that I truly, truly believe in and enjoy. Now, there are numbers that's not listed on here only because I find they fluctuate so much month to month, but I really should have. Like, for example, Bluehost. Like, I'm a Bluehost affiliate, but I will recommend when someone say, I need to get a domain, a URL for my business. How do I do this? Bluehost. I'm going to link them below. They're amazing. Their customer service is absolutely amazing. Check them out, right? But my Bluehost recommendations is not consistent in that this isn't the main key thing in my business, right? So yes, if you're a domain flipper and you're asking me, I'm like, here's how you buy your domains. Go to Bluehost, right? But this isn't a key piece of my event planning business or marketing side, so you don't see it a lot. So because of that, I might have 3 months without any income and then 1 month just pop up and I have $200 or next 3 months with no affiliate commission. So I didn't even include them mainly for that reason. Now, if you have any questions, I want you to drop them below. There might be things I didn't include. For example, how to find affiliate programs. There is a bunch of affiliate networks. I list them in the ebook that you can use to find programs. What programs do I recommend for wedding industry people? Listed in the ebook. How do you promote? Listed in the ebook, right? And you'll see I show you how I do it, right? I can't tell you a definite here's what other people do to see success. I can tell you what I do. My biggest success comes from genuine recommendations. It sounds too easy and simple to some people, but believe me, that's what works. When you're saying to people, this is generally what I recommend. Now, one other thing before I go that I didn't list on here was Amazon. Amazon is one of my affiliate, I'm an Amazon associate. So I do use them for different things. I include them in different things. I don't list them because I'll be honest, I don't even pull the revenue from Amazon. Half the time I just take the Amazon associate revenue and turn it into gift cards, and I use it to purchase items either for myself or for people I know, right? So those are all the programs I have. Again, if you have questions, drop them below, and definitely check out my passive income ebook, especially if you're in the wedding industry, because it's pretty detailed on how to find affiliate programs, how to make sure that you're going into the right programs, how to qualify them, how to sign up, and most importantly, how to promote them authentically. Now, thanks so much for watching, guys, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.